Welcome to this tutorial on how to open an ETRADE trust account. Opening a trust account can be a simple and straightforward process if you follow the right steps. First, you'll want to visit the ETRADE website. Once there, you can navigate to the account opening section, which typically can be found on the main page. Look for an option that allows you to open a new account and select the trust account type. Next, you will need to provide some essential information about the trust. This includes the name of the trust tax identification number, and the date the trust was established. Be prepared to enter details about the trustee as well, including their personal information and identification documents. This information is crucial for ETRADE to verify the identity of the trustee and the legitimacy of the trust. Once you have all the necessary information, fill out the online application form. Make sure all the details are accurate and complete to avoid any delays in the process. After submission, ETRADE will review your application for compliance, which may take a few business days. You will receive a confirmation email once your account has been successfully opened. Finally, once your trust account is active, you can log in and start managing your investments. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the platform features, such as trading options and account management tools. If you have any questions or need assistance, ETRADE provides customer support to help you navigate your new account effectively. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your ETRADE trust account.